Hi guys, hello everybody who's joining in. Wish you a very happy Independence Day, first of all. Welcome to Soulflower India's Live. My name is Kanisha Malhotra. I am a social media influencer. I work in the section of beauty, lifestyle and fashion. And we have with us two really special guests today who will be joining shortly. But before that, we are celebrating India's independence today. It is not only India's independence, it is also our independence to choose the best ingredients for our skin and hair related issues. It is our independence to get rid of these hair related issues, skin related issues. Correct? So I'm just going to add our guest for the day. I think they are going to take a little while. Meanwhile, since you know that today's topic is free me, so free me from all the skin and hair related issues. If you guys have any questions, just drop them in the comment section so that we can take them up later with our experts. And yeah. Okay. Okay, Pratisha will definitely take your question. She's asking about. Guest is here already. She's just joining us. Hi. Hi, Hina.
Hi,
How are you?
Kanisha. Good, thank you. How are you doing?
Great. Wish you a very happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day to you
Guys,
too. Thank you.
Miss Heena here is a wonderful yoga instructor. She's been practicing since a lot of years now. And she will be teaching us some yoga exercises for face today. But before that, we have another guest joining in. We'll just wait for her if that's okay for a couple of seconds. We have with
Yeah,
us
yeah.
Dr. Rasheetha. We are just waiting for her. So, Hina, apart from that, I have been very intrigued about this new concept of facial yoga, which is good for your skin and hair, which is good for your skin. So, has it been like this since ages, or this is something new right now?
It's been always there, just that the awareness about this has increased right now, but it's been always there. If you see a lot of these yogis, they have bright, beautiful, shining skin, and you can't
Hmm.
guess their age. So that's because of not only practicing facial yoga, but living a healthy lifestyle and doing a regular yoga practice.
Okay. So it's been like this since. I mean, I have also heard that this has been going on since ancient times.
Yes,
Facial
yes,
yoga exercises. Is it?
yes, yes. Yeah,
Then
yeah, it's
why
been
why do
there.
people make it like, it's like a lifestyle thing now?
Right, right. Because now we are seeing, because of the increased awareness and the kind of result that it's giving, people have started, acknowledging it and appreciating it. That's why it's become more popular now. Now, we've
Okay.
been doing all those skin treatments and chemical peels and all of that. But, over here we have this natural technique where, without injecting or without doing anything drastic, you get that beautiful glow just by doing a few basic facial exercises. So that's something which is inexpensive and people would like to try.
Okay, so would you like to show like couple of exercises because I've just sent a request to Dr. Rashida and we are just waiting for her.
Yeah, yeah. So meanwhile, if you want, we can start doing the, just waking up the
Please,
skin. So
please. Let's
yeah.
do that.
So very few things are very important is you have to ensure that your hands are clean and not sweaty. So if you feel that you're sweating too much, you should keep yeah. Perfect. So you should keep a napkin with you or a tissue with you and clean your hands, and your face also has to be clean. You can use any moisturizer serum or any oil that suits your skin type. I'm using this Soulflower's almond oil, which is non-greasy. So I
Wow.
have,
Okay.
acne prone skin. I have slightly oily skin over here. So sometimes I get acne. So I have to be careful of, not using anything that's too oily. So this is perfect for that. So you can use a few drops of any oil, any moisturizer. Just ensure that your hands are, moisturized, and you start tapping your face just to wake up your skin and say like a nice good morning to your skin.
So
And
is
keep,
it like okay if like I've put makeup right now? So is
yeah,
it okay that we do it with makeup, or shall
uh,
we keep
it,
our face like completely clean?
the face has to be completely clean, like like
Okay.
if there's just
So I
lipstick,
shouldn't do
that's
it right
okay, or
now.
lip balm. Yeah, so no, that's okay. Still you'll feel that more than your blush on that you've put, with this the skin
Yes.
tint, the pink tint will increase, so I'm sure you would like to do it.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Okay.
so you start
I am not
tapping your
sure if I
face.
should do it right now because of the
uh,
makeup.
yeah, you can avoid your eye area, but around your face, around your upper lip, nose, you can just gently tap your fingers. So this is like, very important to wake up your skin so that the blood circulation increases. Also, while you're doing it, make sure that you're not holding on to your breath and you keep breathing deeply. So
Okay.
long and deep breaths. That will ensure that the oxygen flow is there. Okay. After this, we'll just start pinching the skin. Okay. This also increases the blood circulation. Also, people who have this issue of pigmentation, it's very good for that, because once the blood starts circulating, that, pigmentation, the oxygen flow and the blood flow to the skin increases, which helps in pigmentation also. And Tanisha, while people are posting
People are
questions, you
posting
can,
questions, you can,
let me know.
Hello, we have
let me
Dr.
know. Hello,
Rasheetha
we
with
have
us.
Dr. Rasheetha with us.
Hello, Heena.
Hi,
Am
Dr.
I having
Rasheetha.
Hi, Dr. Am I
Echo.
having an echo?
I don't know why is that.
I don't know why is that, but
Yeah, yeah. Your even my
your
sound is echoing.
even my sound is echoing.
Okay.
Okay,
I don't know why is that.
I don't know why is that.
Okay,
Um,
Dr. Rasheetha
Okay,
here
Dr.
is.
Rasheetha
let
here
me leave
is.
and
Let
join
me
again.
leave and join again.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi, Dr. Rasheetha.
Hi, Dr. Rasheetha.
I think it's the
Hi.
I think
problem is
it's
from your
the
end
problem is from your end
because it
Oh,
was
it's
not
from my
coming
end?
earlier.
because it
So
was
can you
not coming
rejoin?
earlier. So can you rejoin?
Sure, sure. I'll just listen.
Sorry, guys, about that chaos. We have. Okay. We are going to add Dr. Rasheetha and Miss Heena again.
Now is it okay, Kanisha?
Yours was fine earlier also. I think the problem was from Dr. Rasheetha's end. So I've asked her to
Okay.
rejoin.
Okay.
So
Okay.
let's just wait for a minute for her and then we'll do the exercises properly.
Perfect. Perfect.
Okay, she hasn't joined in yet. But let's complete that one
Yeah.
exercise we were doing.
So after you tap
So when
fingers
do
on
you
your
do you
face, you
use both your hands, or is it okay to
use
just
both the
use
hands. Both
both
the
hands?
hands. Yeah.
Like if I
So
want
both
to
the
text
side
in the
it's working equally.
middle.
Yeah. So after this, you start pinching your face like this gently. Okay. It shouldn't be too hard. So this is also very good for boosting the blood circulation, and it releases the stagnant energy, or if the blood flow is not good on your face, this will release that, and the blood circulation oxygen flow will enhance.
Is it good
Okay,
for your
wait.
jawline as well?
Yeah, for jawline, I'm going to be showing you a lot more other exercises that you can
Yeah,
try.
please do.
Yeah,
I need to totally work on my jawline.
for sure. And then you start pinching your jawline like this, because we'll be working a lot on the jawline. We'll be working over, the neckline, all of this. So just start pinching.
Hi, Dr.
Hi, Dr.
Rasheetha.
Rashida. She's fine.
Yeah, hi.
Okay, there's still
Okay,
some
there's still some
echoing. I think you should.
echoing. I
Are
think
you
you should.
online
Are
through
you
your
online
laptop?
through your laptop?
No, it's from my mobile. Sorry. Is it
Can you
still
try
echoing?
another
Can you
device?
try another device?
This
Okay.
echoing
This
again.
echoing again.
Fine.
Okay, then you can pinch your eyebrows. So this is a very, very effective acupressure point for helping you to sleep better, and also very good for sinuses and migraine pain.
Oh wow!
Yeah. So now the skin is ready, and you'll feel that there's little warmth
It's
in your
all
skin.
this tingling
Yeah.
already.
Yeah. So that's good for blood circulation and oxygen flow. Now we'll start from the forehead. In my, stories, you may have seen that we did a few of, exercises for forehead. And now we're going to do one more stretch, which is very good for getting rid of the wrinkles around here. I'm using a few drops of almond oil.
Somebody also asked that which is the best oil for these exercises. So would you like to answer that?
Almond oil, the non-greasy almond oil is better, or any
From
moisturizer that you've
Soulflower.
been using, yeah, from Soulflower, or any moisturizer that you've been always using and that works on your skin, you can use that moisturizer also.
Okay.
I like the
Okay.
Soulflower almond oil because this is like non-greasy, so it doesn't make my skin very greasy and it glides well on the skin and it gets absorbed. Okay, so then keep your finger like this and gently. Okay, so when you're doing this, make sure that your skin is not folding. Okay, it has to be very gentle action, or you can just do one way. And soft pressure, it shouldn't be too hard.
Okay, soft pressure.
Yeah, and cover your entire forehead.
And we have to do these exercises for how long?
So each exercise, okay, like this we're doing, it has to be between 30 seconds to a minute. So for your face, hardly,
Okay.
a few exercises will take up to 5 to 7 minutes and not more than that. If you have more
Okay.
time, you can go do up to 10 minutes or even 5 minutes of basic, like, it's important to wake up your skin before you start. So you do that and then
Okay.
you start doing these exercises.
Oh, superb, superb.
Yeah.
So I'm really looking forward to lose some jawline, like weight,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
fat from
we'll be
jawline.
definitely going to that. So this is
Yeah,
starting from
please.
the forehead. So after you finish this, okay, after you complete your forehead, do about, for a minute or so, then we go to the eyebrows. Now this, okay, just under your eyebrows, this is a stress point, okay. This helps in releasing
Okay.
stress if you have headaches or if you, have puffy eyes, or, it's also good for your eyesight, or if you have dark circle. This acupressure point is very good for releasing the stagnation just under your
Oh yeah,
eyebrows, yes.
it's actually good.
So just over here under your eyebrows, slight pressure you give. So see, what I'm doing, this is wrong. Okay, your skin shouldn't be folding. It's a soft pressure.
Okay, so it's like
Ensure,
here, this.
yeah, just under your
So,
eyebrows. Enjoy
I
this
start
pressure
getting
point.
little pain when I'm doing this. So is it because I'm doing wrong? I start getting little pain when I'm doing this. So is it like I'm doing something wrong?
Don't put too much of pressure, light pressure, and feel slight pain that's after it will feel relaxed. The head will feel relaxed.
There's a little network lagging. I can't understand if it's from your side or mine.
I have full
Now it's
network. I
fine.
don't know why. Yeah, okay.
Okay. Okay, there's a network lagging. Guys, there's a network lagging. Okay, Dr. Rasheetha has joined us. Hi, Dr. Rasheetha. We can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
Huh? Hi, Dr. Rasheetha. Okay, so now Dr. Rasheetha has also left, and Miss Heena has also left. Okay, she's come back. I think there's a lot of network issue, guys. I don't know what has happened to Mumbai network, man.
Yeah.
Oh, you're back. Hi.
Yeah. I don't know why. What I was.
There's a
I don't
network
know.
issue, I think. So I
Yeah.
hope we get everything together now. This
Yeah.
time, I've invited Dr. Rasheetha as well. She'll be talking about skin and health related, the most common health and skin and hair related issues. So
Yeah.
somebody just messaged that my nose is fat. Can you help?
See, the nose is fat. You can actually just massage it, but the bone structure cannot be changed. Okay, that's why some people have like a little broader nostril, and some people have narrow ones. So what you can just do is to tone up. You can just massage it like this.
Like I also have like a deviated septum. So can you see this whole
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
part is pretty broad?
You can't actually change the structure of your face, but if there's fat on your face, with a
Right.
healthy diet.
Hi guys, can you guys see me online? Please tell me in the comment section if there's a network issue from my side. Okay, we are getting a lot of requests, so I'm not sure if it's from my side. Okay, Shirar is saying we can see you. Thank you. That means it's not from my side, the network issue. Okay. Okay, guys, I think since this is a network issue, I'm going to take up some questions here. Okay, so let's see if you guys have. For puffy eyes, Shararat, I think that Dr. Heena will reply. But what I can tell you for puffy eyes as a beauty treatment is that, first of all, sleep on time. Just kidding. What you can do is you can actually use some that Soulflower has this amazing eye cream which I use it for myself, and my dark circles and puffy eyes has really reduced to almost like 80%, and because it's not been a lot of time for me to use it, so right now I've been using it since a month, and my dark circles have really gone down, so, and puffy eyes. So you can try that cream from Soulflower. And good news, guys, good news, which I must tell you all, that today there's a sale going on Soulflower India's website. So you can just check that out and get 15% off. So if you want to buy these, the Miss Heena just told us about almond oil, and or if you want to buy this amazing under eye cream or any other product from Soulflower, you can just log on to their website and just buy it. But remember, the sale is only for today. Okay, so let's take another question.
Finally, man.
What
I
is
don't know what's
happening?
the issue. I don't know. I have
I
full
don't know.
network over here.
So right now I cannot see you.
You
All
can't
I can
see.
see you is your like where you were stuck. Okay,
Oh,
that's weird.
okay.
That's very weird. Yeah, I mean we can only hear you.
Okay, because I can see myself and I can see maybe Dr. Rasheetha is trying to add herself.
Yeah, that I can see. Hi,
Yeah.
Dr. Rasheetha. Can you
Hello.
hear us?
Can you hear me now?
Yes. A little.
Yes,
Can
yes, I
you
can
can
hear.
you talk a little louder?
Yes, can you hear me now?
Yes. Finally. Hi, Dr. Rasheetha. Let's just wait for Heena also. She's all. I think
Sure.
she's going to be here.
Okay, sure.
Oh God, why is it so difficult when with these kind of networks lately? Okay, I've sent her a request. Dr. Rasheetha, guys, is skin and hair expert at Soulflower, and she'll be answering. Hi, finally,
Hi,
three
my
of us
God.
together.
Yeah.
Finally. So I was just introducing Dr. Rasheetha to our viewers today. Dr. Rasheetha is a skin and hair expert here at Soulflower, and she'll be answering some of the commonly asked skin and hair related issue problems and some solutions to that. So we'll first continue Hina's. Let's just do that. I mean, let's finish that because we were in
Yeah.
the middle of those exercises. So let's just get that straight, and
Yes.
then we can
Sure,
go
sure.
forward.
Sure. So we did some exercises for the forehead. Then we were going on the eye. So I was seeing that a lot of people are asking for puffy eyes or dark circles or the redness of the eyes. So this pressure point is very good for releasing strain around your eyes. So this you can do. Okay. And you can just press, release, gently press, release. Do this 10 times.
Okay.
Okay. After that, using your two fingers, my fingers are already moisturized. I will be moving it around my eye like this. Okay, the eye bone from the eyebrows, starting from the eyebrows. I'll be going inwards and then out. So
Okay.
this is very good for boosting the blood circulation around the eyes. Also helps in puffy eyes. Of course, sleep is important. If you have water retention, your eyes will be puffy. So ensure that you're well hydrated. Okay. Now, after this,
Just
place your fingers gently on your eyes and lift your eyebrows gently. This helps in releasing the wrinkles around the upper lid. Okay. Gently lift your eyebrows. Lift, release, lift, release, lift, release, lift, release, lift, release. Then for the crow's feet, okay, first just around the end of your eyebrows. First, we'll press it, which helps in releasing stress, strain, and then gently moving towards your temple with your index finger.
okay.
This is one, and the second one is you hook your finger like this, okay, and you gently pull it towards your temple,
This is also good for headache. I mean, I'm already feeling it.
feeling it lightly or feeling lighter.
Yes.
Amazing.
Okay, so Saurabh is asking, can you let us know some of the oils that could help in skin or face yoga? You already told us about the almond oil, but is there any
Yeah.
specific oil which is good specifically for yoga?
So almond oil is good. Anything that does is not too oily. I'm sure Dr. Rashita will be able to guide us better on this for the kind of oil that can be used because anything that's too oily will clog the pores and may
Okay.
result in some breakout. So I think I will let Dr. Rashita speak on this.
Okay. So, Dr.
Yes,
Rashida, coming
definitely,
back to you,
Hina.
would you like to throw some light on common skin and hair related issues?
Definitely, yes. Normally, most of the people actually face hair fall issue as well as when it comes to skin. uneven skin,
Dr.
pigmentation,
Rasheetha, sorry,
as
a
well
little
as
louder.
acne
Yeah,
breakouts.
can you be louder? Because
Yes, can you hear me?
Still very soft.
Okay. I think I have a network issue from my end. Sorry, guys.
I think there's a network issue from everybody's end. There's something going on today. Probably everybody's home Independence Day. People are
Yeah,
chilling. Everybody's on internet.
I know.
Okay. So, am I audible now? Clear?
You were audible earlier also, but it's like really low, soft. Your voice is really soft.
Okay, okay,
Just
fine.
talk a little louder.
Just give me 2 minutes. Can you hear
Can
me?
you guys realize?
Yeah.
Do you guys realize
Okay.
something? We are looking like a Tiranga Jhanda. Like I'm wearing orange. You have a white wall. She has a green wall.
Yeah,
What a coincidence.
I know.
Okay, you can just start. Okay, she left. She
Okay,
left
she's
to
left.
join us.
All right.
Yeah.
So Saurabh answering, giving a little bit of hint on the kind of oil. So Soulflower has a wide range of oil that you can choose from, but my favorite is almond oil. It has, Kunkumati oil, which is also very good. I have tried that, and that's the oil that you can. That's like a serum that you can use before you go to sleep, like for a nighttime routine. So that is also very good, and that also helps you with that glow on the skin. You can also use coconut oil, but coconut oil is slightly thicker, so if it doesn't suit your skin, you avoid using that. Or if it suits your skin type, if you have dry skin, then you can use that. Or better to use any moisturizer that you use regularly for moisturizing your face, that can also be used.
So somebody just asked, "Hi, ma'am. I have acne and pimple problems. Do you think there's a particular sort of yoga to fight acne and pimples?"
So acne could be because of some infection or something related or to clogging of the pores. But if you clean your skin regularly, if you have a good cleansing routine, along with some yoga exercises which increases the oxygen flow and the blood flow in your skin, that will
Hmm.
help you to detoxify your skin. So along with external application of ointments and creams, or orally taking any medications, which Doctor will Rashida will explain us about. Apart from
Correct,
that,
correct.
maintaining a proper routine, hydrating yourself well so that your skin is detoxifying, and doing inverted yoga poses. So Surya
Okay.
Namaskar
What
is
is
really
inverted
very,
yoga pose?
yeah. So Surya Namaskar is really very good because when you do Surya Namaskar, you're going up and down. So, the oxygen flow and the blood flow is increasing. Then I don't know if you are a regular yoga practitioner, then you can do, Sirshasan, headstand and all of that. That's advanced. But if you don't know how to do that, you can simply do a downward dog yoga pose where your head is down and your hips are up. So that can be done. Or if you're just sitting right now in front of me, you can, do few exercises that I'm saying, which will also help you to
Okay.
enhance the blood circulation. So I'm going to give you all some tips on the, for the cheeks, which will also help you to kind of tone your cheeks and the jawline.
And
And
jawline.
yeah,
Very
so
important.
we can do that. Also, we do doing those exercises will also help in acne and pimples. I think Dr. Ashita's back here.
Dr. Rashita is back.
You're able to hear me now? Sorry, guys.
Perfect. Perfect.
I think I have a connectivity issue. I'm really sorry about it.
That's okay.
So,
We were
yeah.
just talking about you.
So, yes. So, you were asking me about common hair and skincare issues where everyone faces. So, let me explain to you when it comes to hair, like hair fall, hair thinning, we have in males, commonly we have this problem which is called as AGA, androgenetic alopecia. And certain people also face, there are different types of alopecia, wherein it is called androgenetic alopecia is male pattern baldness, as well as female also undergo female pattern baldness. And there's alopecia areata too, wherein you lose hair in patches. And there's alopecia totalis, wherein it is a condition where you don't have any hairs on your scalp as well as the entire body. So that's one condition. Whereas when it comes to skin, common skin problems are, acne, uneven skin tone, blemish, as well as dark circles. So these are the common, problems where everyone faces in your day-to-day life.
Yeah, we have
Yeah,
some questions also coming in fact for that only. There was somebody who was
sure.
asking about, now Jyot is asking about dark circles and how can one treat their dark circles. So is there any particular treatment or product you would like to put light on?
Okay. See, one has dark circles, like when you're under too much of stress. Okay, whenever your body is not healthy, the first thing wherein it reacts is your skin as well as your hair. So, it is an indicator. Your face and skin is an indicator of your internal health. So, maintaining your health is very important, as well as, like, Hina has suggested us like some facial yoga exercises too, which are really beneficial. Yeah.
Yeah, her
And
skin is
some,
glowing. Seriously, I
yes,
think
yes.
that's how.
So everyone can grab some tips from her. But yes, definitely when it comes to the medical aspect, for the dark circles, you can go with the Soulflower's under eye cream. It is a magic product wherein you can apply it in the night time before going to bed, especially in the dark circles, as well as a rosehip oil, essential oil works best for, dark circles.
Oh, wow. Yeah, somebody, and is this somebody asking about essential oils that which essential oil is good for skin, or okay, that we one already answered. Anyways, so Dr. Rasheetha, I've been having a lot of
Yes.
hair thinning. So can you
Okay.
suggest something for that? This is my personal question. Like I've been losing a lot of hair, and my hair has gone because I have colored hair. So just I think that's one of the reasons for that.
Fine, fine, definitely. So you see, like, hair fall is one major thing wherein it is affected by a lot of other factors, hair fall as well as hair thinning. Your underlying health plays a major role. If you're having any kind of deficiencies in your vitamin level or hormonal level, of course, you
Okay.
will undergo hair thinning as well as hair fall. So in females, most common problems are, thyroid and PCOD, as well as,
Correct.
vitamin D and B12 deficiencies can trigger hair thinning, and in the due course can lead to hair loss too. So, having a check in all these levels, your thyroid hormone, that is your T3, T4, and TSH, and your vitamin D, B12, as well as to get your hormones tested for PCOD is very important.
Okay.
Yes,
So
as
somebody
well
is
as,
asking which
yeah.
mixture of essential oils are good together for skin to leave it on.
Okay. For skin, as I told you, there are specific essential oils for specific, conditions. If you're looking out for, uneven skin tone, you can go with a Kunkumati night elixir. And basically, you
Oh,
want to
that one
go,
is great. I've been using it myself. I totally love it.
yes, yes, it works for your dark spots, blemishes, acne marks. It works really wonders even for your uneven skin tone. But commonly, if you're looking out for any kind of face serum wherein you don't have.
Okay, do we have a network issue again? Okay, I think we have network issue from Dr. Rashida's side again.
Yeah.
Network is really bad today.
Yeah, I know. Somehow, I think, even it's raining and everyone is home,
Oh
so
yeah.
using, a lot of internet maybe.
Yeah, because there are no movie theaters as well, right? So everybody wants to just watch the new films which has come. Now people have the time. And the worst
Right.
part is Independence Day has come on Sunday.
Yeah, I know. We are missing out on one holiday.
Yeah, that's what everybody's complaining today.
Yeah.
So, anyways, let me just see if Dr. Rashida has come back. The network is really lagging. Okay, let's see. Okay, she's back. Let me just. Okay, I've invited her.
Okay.
But I'm definitely going to try these facial yogas.
Yeah, yeah. Do try. Rather, she's back here.
She's back. Hi.
Yes, hi. So we were discussing on the hair thinning issues,
Hmm.
right? So, as I told you, like, your T3, T4, your PCOD levels, as well as your vitamin D, as well as B12 levels, all plays a major role in your hair fall as well as hair thinning, as well as our day-to-day activities like using too hot water for a shower. All these are going to indirectly affect your hair follicles, as well as aging is also a matter. If like in a particular age, like what hair you have in 80s, you're not going to have it in 40s. So that is
Correct.
the thing difference wherein your follicle count also
Hmm.
reduces by age. So these are all factors which needs to be considered when you're undergoing a hair fall or hair thinning, and you can just get it checked and meet a nearby dermatologist to know whether you're undergoing any kind of deficiencies from all these
Okay.
hormones or vitamins.
Yeah, I am facing PCOD myself, so I think that could be one reason of the same. But could you suggest some product from the Soulflower range which I can definitely go and buy today for sure because there's an Independence Day sale going on. So
Sure, sure. So, for PCOD as well as any kind of hormonal imbalance is where you're undergoing hair fall or hair thinning. Rosemary oil works really the best. You can either mix it with any kind of carrier oil like coconut oil, castor oil, argan oil of your choice, and you can just apply it in the night time. Like, you can add
okay,
like rosemary essential oil, 5 to 6 drops, and sufficient amount of any kind of carrier oil. And in the night time, you can just apply it in your hair roots as well as the entire length of your hair. And of course, like, alternative days wash with a biotin shampoo as well as conditioner will give you the best results.
superb. Okay, Saurabh is asking, how does rollers help in face yoga? We see a lot of experts recommending that. I think that's for you, Miss Hina.
Okay, so we have natural rollers with us. So, you can use your fingers to just roll it on your face if you don't have rollers. But yes, Soulflower also has this roller which you can use to kind of, stretch this part and tighten your jawline, and you can move it on your face. That can also be used. But nevertheless, your fingers are there. You can always use your fingers. I'm going to show you one very good exercise which will help you to lift your cheekbone and also help you to get rid of the fat around your cheeks. We all want, like, lifted cheeks and a tight, sharp jawline. So this is something that you can try. So you make an O shape with your mouth like this. Now see, when you do this, the area, okay, this part, okay, this
Hmm.
opens up. So this helps in erasing the wrinkles around here, and it will also lift your face, okay? So
Okay.
you make an O shape like this. And you move towards your ears from here, okay? Okay, so this is the laughing line. A lot of times, because we
Yeah.
keep smiling, we keep talking. So this is, this deepens up. So doing this exercise will lift your cheeks and also eliminate the wrinkles. Do it like this and then gently move your finger towards your ear.
I'm definitely going to try that for sure.
So do this about 10 times. The next
Okay.
exercise, which is also very good for your cheeks, okay, for that glow that you want, for that pinkish tint that you want, is
Hmm.
you puff your mouth like this and using your four fingers.
Okay. How many times do we do that?
Again, 10 times.
10 times.
Yeah.
And do we repeat it like only once in a day, or how many times should
You
we be
can do it
doing that?
twice in a day. So the morning routine that I have suggested that you may have seen in the story, you can do that in the morning. The others, you can do it in the evening. Or if you
Okay.
have only, time in the morning, you can do it in the morning. Once a day is also fine. But if you do it twice, it will be very helpful. But remember that your hands have to be clean, or else you'll end up with some breakouts on the skin. And apply
Hmm.
very gentle pressure. You shouldn't be pressing it too hard.
Okay, I will take one or two more questions. So there's one question. Ma'am, please suggest best face wash for combination skin. That's for you, Dr. Rasheetha. If you can
Okay.
suggest some.
Okay, fine. For combination skin, basically your T zone is actually oilier. wherein your forehead, your nose, as well as around the lips becomes oily in your combination skin, and rest of the areas are, it is normal or too dry. So in this case, you can go with a Soulflower's, Kunkumati face wash, which works wonders for uneven skin as well as, to control the oil balance on your face.
Hmm.
If you're looking for a milder soap, then yes, definitely you can go with our tomato soap, which works the best.
Do you think we can use Kunkumati face wash for dry skin as well?
Yes, definitely. If your skin is not too sensitive or it doesn't give you any acne breakouts, then definitely, you can go with the Kunkumati face wash.
Okay. So someone is asking shoulder pain, ma'am. Please say some exercises if you want to show one exercise. And
Absolutely. So shoulder pain, upper back pain, neck pain has become very common because of the constant use of phones and laptops, and because now everything is online. We this part is very stressed. So the first thing that you need to do is rotate your head clockwise 3 times gently. Make sure that you are rotating it properly. So this will release the strain from your neck. Okay, clockwise 3 times and 3 times anti-clockwise. After you do this, touch your elbows and go out, touch and move out, touch, move out. We do this 5 times.
wow,
Then you go up
really helpful.
and down, gently go up and down 5 times, go up and down. Then rotate, full rotation. So this is something you need to do if you're sitting for long hours, and this can be done sitting on your desk also. If you have small kids at home, elderly people at home, please make them also do it, because students kids are also sitting for too long and doing their online school, so they also have a very bad posture, causing a lot of shoulder neck pain. So head rotation, shoulder rotation is very important. And then just interlace your fingers at the back and stretch. I'm just going to move a little ahead. So this, and head back.
Wow. Okay.
So these are some exercises.
Super. Thank you. Miss Heena, there's something like a personal question I wanted to ask, that what essential oils are good for facial yoga? Like if you can suggest some essential oils from
Uh,
Soulflower's range only, if you can suggest
Yeah.
something.
So I like using lavender oil. That is also very soothing. You can use rosemary oil, lavender oil. I also love the lemongrass oil, so that can be used. But use a carrier oil. Carrier oil can be almond oil, or we have other varieties of oil that can be used. And
Correct.
that actually, aromatherapy also helps you to kind of calm down. And if you're calm down,
Yeah.
relaxed, the glow naturally increases. So that's why it's important that, using, or you can always, put
Hmm.
up those aroma candles, or those diffusers, which while you're doing this, which will relax you, and you feel that natural glow internally and externally. You see it on your face.
I really like eucalyptus oil personally as well, because that really good for I have sinusitis and migraine, so it really opens up my nostrils. So,
Absolutely. That's really nice. In fact, you can put some on your pillow and sleep that, so that you're inhaling that
yeah.
throughout the night.
Wow, that will be great. So, Dr. Rashida, this I think we'll take one more last question. Let's do that because
Sure.
it's almost time. Miss Dr. Rashida, there's somebody asking that can you suggest some superfoods for your good, like skin and hair, like which are good for your skin and hair? Can you suggest something?
Definitely, yes. So when it comes to hair, going with a high protein and iron-rich diet is going to help you for a healthy hair. And when it comes to skin, of course, yes, vitamin C rich fruit juices as well as like green leafy vegetables. You can even take vitamin C rich fruits as a whole too, which is actually like, rich in fiber content. Why I tell you, like, you can go with vitamin C rich fruits is like, it indirectly helps in boosting your collagen production, and it helps you for a healthy skin. And basically high protein and iron rich diet, which I told you for your hair. You can go with flax seeds, which are a good source of iron, as well as dry grapes,
Okay.
and a lot of green leafy vegetables are actually have a good source of iron content. And when it comes to high protein, of course, like meat and egg white, all this, of course, like it is not that you have to have a separate diet plan wherein you have to take only this. But of course, in our day-to-day life, whatever is rich in high protein and iron, you can just take that more so that you get a very good hair as well as skin.
Super. Okay, so then I think then there's another question. What can be done for dark circles? Again, the same thing. But is there any special food or particular superfood for dark circles?
Basically, antioxidants work. You can go with green tea. Uh, y- whichever food is like rich in antioxidants, you can take that so that your pigmentation as well as your dark circles will reduce. But yes, definitely, the pigmentation takes some time to settle down. You have to follow a proper skincare regime. As I told you, you have to treat the dark circles as well as using a proper cleanser and an exfoliator is very important.
So for pigmentation, can you suggest the serums? Soulflower has some amazing serums, but I get this question a lot that which is the best serum for pigmentation? So which one is it according to you so that I can tell people?
Yes. So people who have a combination of oily skin can go with, the vitamin C serum for pigmentation, which works wonder. Whereas, when if your skin is not too sensitive again, then you can go with a Kunkumati oil, which works best for pigmentation.
Oh, really? I didn't know that. I thought that Kumkumadi, I mean, it has other benefits as well, but I wasn't sure that it's good for your pigmentation as well. So that's
Yes,
great.
definitely.
And one last thing before we go, I really want to ask Miss Heena for some exercises for my jawline because, like, particularly for jawline because, yeah, you can see a lot of double
Okay.
chin is coming. So,
Yeah. So the first exercise that you do is you drop your head at the back and then you clench your teeth. Do this about 20 times and you'll feel a nice stretch in your neck.
yeah, you do
This
feel
is
a
very
stretch.
good for this portion. Then you tilt your head to one side, lift your chin, and again you clench your teeth. So this portion. So I'm gently opening and closing my mouth, clenching my teeth. Same thing on the other side. So this is something you can do it twice a day. Also, while you're taking a shower, you can, do these exercises.
Okay, super. One last question for Dr. Rasheetha. Uh, please suggest any cleanser and serum for pimple.
Okay, for pimple, you can go with, the tea tree soap. Basically, it's a good cleanser, Soulflower tea tree soap. And of course, if you're having too many acne breakouts, I would suggest you to go with a tea tree essential oil too in the night time, wherein you can mix it with the aloe vera gel and use it as a night face pack. And morning, you can just take a wash with the tea tree soap or either the tomato soap.
So I really like the aloe vera gel from Soulflower. It's like it works wonders
Yes,
for me, to be honest,
yes,
because I have really dry skin.
yes.
So it really
And
works.
even it works for skin, who have an oily skin because it has an oil-free preference, aloe vera gel moisturizer, and it is non-comedogenic, which is like, it doesn't give you any kind of acne breakouts. So, you can blindfoldedly go if you're looking out for a good moisturizer, you can choose our aloe vera gel moisturizer, which is the best.
Super. Sorry, I said I know last question, but a very interesting question have come. Any product suggestion for minimizing face pores?
Okay, for face pores, open pores, basically, what I would suggest is first tip is don't use too hot water on your face, which can indirectly open your pores. So, using cool water or lukewarm water to wash your face is very important. And yes, of course, you can go with a good serum wherein you can choose a vitamin C serum for open pores. You can use it in the night time before going to bed.
Superb. Thank you so much, Miss Heena and Dr. Rasheetha. That was actually quite insightful for me as a blogger influencer as well. So that was a great session, and we've I think answered all the questions as well. So guys, just remember that it is today's Independence Day. So you have the freedom to choose your ingredients, right? And you have the freedom to get rid of all the skin and hair related issues. So just head to Soulflower India's website. We have a sale going on. You get 15% off. So just do that. It's only for today, guys. Hurry up. And thank you so much, guys, for joining in. Wish you a very happy Independence Day.
Thank you,
And
Kanisha. You are a
thank you.
wonderful
And thank you to
host.
the
Really
audience.
enjoyed talking to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Rashid. That was really nice
Same here.
talking
I
to you.
had fun.
Thank you. My pleasure too. Thank you.
Bye, guys. Have a good day.